Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to some incredible, tiny, portable homes you can find on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a cozy getaway, a mobile office, or even a fully functional home, these prefab tiny houses offer the perfect solution for flexible, comfortable living. I'll be walking you through some of the standout features of these homes, and of course, I've made sure to link all the products in the description below for you to check out. So let's dive in. If you're looking for a versatile, portable, tiny home with plenty of space, these 13 by 20 feet prefab unit is an excellent option. Unlike standard shipping container homes, it offers a more spacious layout, comfortably fitting 2 bedrooms, a living area, a kitchen, and a bathroom. The steel frame construction and flame-retardant foam wall panels make it both durable and well-insulated, with resistance to earthquakes and strong winds, perfect for different climates and conditions. One of its standout features is the expandable design, which allows for easy transport and setup, making it ideal for frequent relocations. The large windows provide abundant natural light, creating a bright and comfortable living space, and it comes pre-wired to US standards, giving you flexibility for electrical setup. While it's a great option for various uses, whether as a backyard guest house, office, or even a temporary hospital, the installation process does require some effort. There's no included assembly service, and since the unit is delivered via truck, you'll need a crane to unload it. Despite these logistics, its durability, spacious design, and adaptability make it a solid choice for anyone in need of a portable yet permanent living or working space. This modern prefab tiny house offers a sleek and efficient solution for those seeking a versatile and stylish living or working space. Available in both 20 feet and 40 feet sizes, this modular cabin is designed for a range of uses, including homes, offices, kiosks, pool houses, and even B&B rentals. With its contemporary aesthetic and customizable color options, it easily blends into various environments while maintaining a clean, modern look. Built with durable steel and insulated sandwich panels, this tiny home is designed to withstand different climates while providing excellent thermal efficiency. One of its key advantages is its pre-installed electrical system, built to meet local standards, reducing the time and effort required for setup. Additionally, a one-stop service option is available, allowing customization of facilities and furniture to match specific needs. Unlike traditional construction, this modular home is fully assembled in the factory before shipping, meaning no on-site installation is required. Just place it and start using it immediately. Whether it's for a smart office, coffee shop, or a compact living space, this prefab house delivers a practical, stylish, and efficient solution for modern needs. For those looking for a spacious yet portable housing solution, this 40 feet expandable prefab home offers an impressive 800 square feet of living space. Designed to accommodate a full family, it includes 3 well-sized bedrooms, a bright and airy living room, a fully equipped kitchen, and a modern bathroom with a separate wet and dry area. The home comes pre-installed with US standard electrical and plumbing systems, making it a practical option for both temporary and long-term living. The construction is built for durability, featuring a strong steel frame with square steel tubes that provide stability and safety. Rated as fire-resistant, wind-resistant up to level 11, and earthquake-resistant up to level 9, this home is designed to withstand harsh conditions. However, during heavy snowfall, it's recommended to clear accumulated snow from the roof to prevent excessive weight. Comfort is a priority in this design, with 10 large windows allowing for abundant natural light, along with a smaller window in the shower room for ventilation. The entry door is made of glass, complementing the windows constructed from high-quality broken bridge aluminum. Insulated flame-retardant foam panels in the walls and roof provide excellent thermal efficiency and soundproofing, ensuring a cozy and quiet living environment. Beyond its practicality, this prefab home also offers a stylish aesthetic. The black steel frame, dark wood-grained galvanized steel exterior, and light wood-grained PVC interior flooring create a modern yet countryside-inspired design. Whether used as a permanent residence, a vacation retreat, or an office space, this home delivers comfort, safety, and contemporary style in a highly functional layout. Next up, a stylish and functional prefab home. This 40 feet double-story expandable container house offers a modern living solution with ample space for a family. With external dimensions of 480 by 120 by 86 inches, it features 2 well-designed bedrooms, a spacious living room, a fully equipped kitchen, and a separate wet and dry bathroom. The thoughtful layout provides more living space than standard foldable homes, making it a great option for both temporary and permanent residents. Designed with convenience in mind, this home includes large windows for plenty of natural light, a secure glass entry door, and a smaller window for the shower room. The bathroom is fully equipped with a water heater, sink, mirror, toilet, and a private shower area, while the kitchen comes with cabinets, taps, and a hot and cold water pipeline system. The high-quality double-glazed PVC sliding windows and broken bridge aluminum security doors enhance durability and insulation. Built for safety and resilience, this home is wind-resistant up to level 11, earthquake-resistant up to level 9, and fire-rated Class A. It also features flame-retardant foam insulation in the walls and roof, ensuring excellent thermal efficiency and soundproofing. Additionally, the structure is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, making it suitable for various locations, including urban and remote areas. For those in need of a compact yet versatile living or workspace, this 20-feet foldable container home offers an efficient and durable solution. Featuring a solid steel frame made of square steel pipes, this modular prefabricated home ensures stability and long-lasting durability. Its double-wing folding design allows for easy setup, making it ideal for a range of applications, from garden villas and storage rooms to outdoor cottages and office spaces. Safety is a top priority with this structure, as it meets fireproof Grade A standards, withstands wind resistance up to level 11, and provides earthquake resistance up to level 9. It is also designed to handle extreme temperatures and heavy snow loads, making it a reliable choice for various climates. The portability of this prefab home allows for easy relocation, making it a great option for those who require flexibility in their living or working space. Customization is another key advantage, as the home can be tailored to meet specific needs. Whether you're looking for additional accessories or modifications to fit your space, there are multiple options available. Additionally, expert guidance is provided to assist with installation and operation, ensuring a smooth setup process. Here we have a modern, flexible, and easy-to-assemble tiny home. This prefab container house offers a sleek and practical solution. Available in 20 feet and 40 feet sizes, this modular home is designed to suit various needs, from family living to office spaces. With a contemporary design featuring large windows and open spaces, it creates a bright and comfortable environment that feels far from cramped. One of its standout features is its folding design, which allows for quick setup and takedown. Whether used for off-grid adventures, construction site housing, or emergency accommodations, this tiny home offers a hassle-free way to establish a living space anywhere. The durable construction ensures longevity, and with customizable layouts, it can be tailored to fit specific requirements. In addition to its versatility, this prefabricated home comes with strong after-sales support, including a 3-year warranty and lifetime maintenance. As a product from a 19-year-old manufacturer, it includes expert guidance to help with installation and operation. This stylish, space-optimized prefab tiny home offers an innovative living solution, blending comfort and efficiency in a compact design. Whether you're looking for a 20 feet or 40 feet container home, this steel frame expandable unit delivers a thoughtfully planned layout that includes a living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. Clever storage solutions ensure that every inch of space is maximized, making your living experience feel spacious rather than cramped. Customization is at the core of this tiny home, with a wide range of options available to tailor the exterior, interior, and functionality to suit your personal preferences. The prefabricated structure is easy to transport and assemble, and our professional team offers remote guidance, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free installation process. Incorporating green, energy-saving features, this tiny home is designed with high-efficiency insulation and energy-saving appliances to reduce energy consumption and costs. Thoughtful lighting design maximizes natural light, creating a warm and environmentally friendly atmosphere. Built by a 30-year-old manufacturer, we prioritize your satisfaction, offering a 3-year warranty and lifetime maintenance for peace of mind. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and practicality with this modern prefab tiny home, designed for both comfort and convenience. Featuring a spacious layout with 3 bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and a complete bathroom, this portable container house offers everything you need for easy, modern living. The foldable design allows for easy transport and setup, making it an excellent choice for a variety of uses, from personal residences to commercial spaces like hotels or offices. The steel frame construction ensures durability and stability, while the high-quality insulation keeps the home comfortable year-round. This tiny home is highly customizable to meet your specific needs. Whether you want to adjust the number of rooms, include additional amenities, or tailor the exterior and interior to your preferences, the options are endless. The luxury design elevates this compact home, making it feel more like a villa than a typical container house. Perfect for a garden office, vacation retreat, or even as a hotel unit, this expandable prefab container house offers a modern, versatile solution for any living space. This expandable prefab tiny home offers a modern and functional living space designed for those seeking comfort in a compact layout. With 2 well-sized bedrooms, a fully equipped bathroom, and a practical kitchen, it provides all the essentials for everyday living. The spacious living room creates a cozy atmosphere, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. Built with high-quality materials, the modular design ensures durability and energy efficiency, making it a great option for long-term use. Its mobility allows for easy relocation, making it ideal for residential, vacation, or commercial purposes. And lastly, these modern prefab tiny homes offer versatile and customizable living solutions, available in 20 feet and 40 feet sizes with options for 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms. These expandable container homes are perfect for adults looking for a flexible, space-efficient living environment with a full bathroom and kitchen. One of the standout features of our prefab homes is the freedom to customize the internal layout. You can design the space to suit your needs. From cozy bedrooms with tailored storage solutions to spacious living rooms and kitchens, the possibilities are limitless, allowing you to create a home that fits your lifestyle. The interiors are finished with high-quality materials that provide a luxurious yet comfortable feel. From smooth walls and ceilings to durable flooring and stylish fixtures, every detail is crafted for both beauty and functionality. These finishes are easy to maintain and designed for long-lasting durability. Abundant natural light fills the interior of our folding homes, thanks to large windows that maximize daylight. This not only creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, but also reduces reliance on artificial lighting, promoting energy efficiency and well-being. With personalized customization available, you can adjust everything from flooring and windows to the number of rooms and the overall layout. I hope you found this look at these Amazon tiny portable homes as exciting as I did. If you're considering one of these homes, make sure to check out the links in the description below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what you think. Until next time, happy home hunting.